Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Salesforce Certificate updated. Start by choosing a certification path and set a study schedule that fits your work and life. Focus on core topics from the exam guide and log hands-on practice in a developer org every week. Use official Trailhead modules and structured courses, then track progress with weekly quizzes and mock exams to build confidence before you register for the test. Adopt efficient study habits that maximize retention and reduce burnout. Mix short focused sessions with hands-on practice in a developer org to reinforce concepts. Prioritize exam-weighted topics and revisit weak areas with targeted Trailhead modules and flashcards. Time yourself on practice exams to build pacing and reduce test anxiety. Balance review, practice, and rest days so you maintain consistent progress. Understand the logistics so exam day runs smoothly and stress-free. Pick remote proctoring or an on-site center, confirm ID and room requirements, and test your computer setup ahead of time. Review the exam blueprint to know question formats and scoring. Bring a government ID for on-site exams and clear your workspace for remote sessions. Rest well the night before and avoid last-minute cramming to keep your mind sharp and focused.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.